Hi everyone, this is Krishna Ram, Maths IT faculty. Last class we discussed piecewise functions. Piecewise function means greatest integer function, least integer function, signal function, fractional part of function. These functions we explained and it's a theory completed. Now we have to discuss the problems. Okay, here the first problem, find the solution of this set, the following inequations. Modulus of x is less than 2, modulus of x is less than or equal to 3, modulus of x is greater than or equal to 5, modulus of x is equal to 5. Before explaining these four problems, first I will write some properties. Here modulus of x is equal to a, then here x is lies between minus a and a. Next one is modulus of x is less than or equal to a, then x is lies between minus a is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a. Next, modulus of x is greater than a, then here x is greater than 1, 2, here 3. X is greater than a or x is less than minus a. Now fourth one, modulus of x is greater than or equal to a, then x is greater than or equal to a or x is less than or equal to minus a. Now see here one by one. Here first one is modulus of x is 2. Now see here modulus of x is less than a means here the x is lies between minus 2 and plus 2. This is also minus 2 is less than x is less than 2. Now this is represented as a bracket means here open interval minus 2 comma 2. This is first one. And second one, see here modulus of x is less than or equal to 3. Less than or 3 means here minus 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to plus 3. Now this is also represented as closed interval. Here r equal to as given means closed interval. See here this is a open interval both side. Here this is a 2 and this is minus 2, that's 2. Here this is x lies between in this 2. That means here excluding this 2, here including means here this is also both are there. This is a minus 3, this is plus 3, this is x. That means here to here minus 3 and 3 also including. Now third one, see here modulus of x is greater than or equal to 5. Now x is greater than or equal to 5 or x is less than or equal to minus 5. Now see here this is minus 5, this is 5. X is greater than or equal to 5. X is greater than or equal to 5 means this side. Now x is less than or equal to minus 5 means this is x is up to minus infinity, this is plus infinity. Now you can represent as a bracket means here open interval minus infinity to minus 5 closed interval. Okay, union then 5 and open interval infinity. This is next one also same here. Fourth one, modulus of x is less than 5 and this is x is less than 5 or x is less than minus 5. This is also represent this like means here minus 5 minus infinity to minus 5 open interval union 5 to plus infinite. Okay, note down this one. Okay, now second problem, find the solution of the following inequation. Here step x is less than 5, step x is less than or equal to 5, step x is greater than or equal to 3, step x is less than or equal to minus 3, step x is less than minus 2 and step x is less than 0, step x is greater than minus 3, step x is greater than or equal to minus 1 as given. Okay, before doing this problem, first we have to see this is properties. Here step x is equal to step x here equal to x. Step is equal to x here. That means here step x is equal to x means here step of 2 is equal to 2, step of minus 2 is equal to minus 2. This is first one. Next, actually here all our inequation as given means we have to explain this one. Okay, now listen. Okay, through problems we will explain that properties also how it is. See here first problem, see here step x is less than 5. Step x is less than 5 means here x is less than I means integer, x is less than I. That means here x is less than I means here 5. Then here 5 here up to minus infinite. This is minus infinity to open interval 5. This is correct or not? How we know that? Means here step of 4.9, how you will write here? 4 only. Up to 4.9 also 4. Step of 5 means here this is 5. But here only less than as given. Less than means here 5. Below you can take any number also. Up to 4.9 you can take here. Up to 4.9 also its value is 4. This is the greatest integer function. Less than or equal. Greatest integer function means here less than or equal. Here this is equal. This is less than. Okay, that's why 4.9, 4.8, 4. Up to so on minus infinity you can take here. That's why here this is a open interval minus 5. Don't including this 5. This is excluding. Up to 4.9 only including. That's why here you can write here minus infinity to minus plus 5. This is the first problem. Now see here second one. Second one is here step x is less than or equal to 5. Step x is less than or equal to 5 means here x is equal to integer plus 1. Here x is less than or equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to x is less than or equal to 6. This is correct or not? How we know that? Means here first you can write here step x is less than or equal to 5 means you can take here less than means up to minus infinite first. Next here step 5.9 you can take here. Step of 5.9 also this is 5. Here approximately this is this is 5 plus 1 means here less than 6. Here 5.9 up to 5.9 also it is less than or equal to 5. That's why you can take here 6 open interval, not closed interval. Closed interval means including 6. Including 6 means it is less than, not possible. That's why this is minus infinity to plus 6. Understand? This is second one. First one, second one. Note down this first and second. I will explain next. Okay, now third one, see here. Third one, step x is greater than or equal to 3. Step x is greater than or equal to 3 means here x is greater than or equal to 3 only. X is greater than or equal to 3. Then here 3 close interval 3 to plus infinite. That means here 3 is equal to 3 and 3.1 also 3, but 2.9 means 2.9 is 2. That's why here you can take from 3 to up to plus infinity, any number also you have to take. That's why this is correct. Okay, this is third one. Next fourth one step x is less than or equal to minus 3. Step x is less than or equal to I means here x is less than I plus 1. X is less than or equal to here minus 3 plus 1. X is less than or equal to, see here. Now x is less than or equal to, here this is 2 minus 2, less than minus 2. Then this is correct or not? Here minus infinity to minus 2. This is correct or not means here this is 3 or less than 3 means here step of minus 3 also minus 3. Step of minus 2.9 also this is minus 3. Step of 2.1 also minus 3. Suppose you have to take minus 3.1, then this is minus 4, but here minus 3.4. Okay, minus 3.4 means here up to infinity you have to take here 2.9 also 3. That's why you can take here 2. Then don't take here 4. 4 also it is including here. Then don't take here 1 minus 1.1 you can take means here minus 2. Minus 2 means it is not possible. You can take here 2 point something. 2 point something means it is equal to 3. That's why here minus infinity to 2. Understand? Note down this one. Third one, fourth one, both completed. Now fifth one, see. Fifth one, step x is less than minus 2. Step x is less than minus 2 means here x is less than minus 2 only. Step x is less than minus 2 means here step x is less than integer means x is less than integer. Okay, now here this is up to minus infinity to minus 2. This is open interval. Okay, next sixth one, same as this, follow the using properties. Sixth one means here step x is less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0 means x is less than I plus 1. Here x is less than I plus 1 means here 0 plus 1. Then x is less than 1. Then minus infinity 1 only. This is sixth one. Seventh one. Seventh one is step x is greater than minus 3. Step x is greater than minus 3 means here x is greater than minus 3 plus 1. Already explained this one. Here x is greater than minus 2. Then here minus 2 to plus infinite. Next last one, eighth one. Here step x is greater than or equal to minus 1 means here x is here greater than or equal to as given means greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to means same as is equal to here x is greater than or equal to minus 1 only. Then here minus 1 closed interval, here plus infinite. Note down. By using properties you have to write answer. Okay, next third one is find the intervals. Find the intervals of x satisfying the following. Here least integer function step x, here also step x is less than 2, step x is less than or equal to 3, step x is greater than 3, step x is greater than or equal to. Here this total 10 questions has given. We have to follow the some formulas, properties. Here step x is less than 1 means x plus integer I, and step x is greater than or equal to I means here x minus x is greater than I minus 1. Next step x is less than I is equal to I implies x is greater than x is less than I minus 1, and step x is less than or equal to I means here x is less than or equal to I. This is correct or not, these properties. Okay, we have to explain through this problem. See our first problem. Yeah, first problem, step x is less than 2. See here, without using this one, I will explain first. See here, this is a least integer function. This is step x means here least integer function. Least integer function means greater than or equal. Greater than or equal. That means here, suppose you can write here 1.9. Step of 1.9 means this is 2. 1.1 also this is 2. But 2 is less than 2, not possible. That's why you can take here 1. 1 is less than 2. This is correct. Then 0.9 also this is 1. That means here 1 or less than 1 you can take. 1 or less than 1 means here minus up to minus infinite. Less than means up to minus infinite. Then here including 1 also. That's why minus infinite to 1. This is correct or not? By using this formula you have to see here. Step x is less than 2. Step x is less than 2 means x is less than or equal to I minus 1. X is less than or equal to I means here 2 minus 1. Here x is less than or equal to 2 minus 1 is 1. Now x is less than or equal to 1 means here this is 1. Here this is up to minus infinite. That's why here minus infinite to close interval 1. This is both are correct. Note down this one. Now second one, see here. Second one is step x is less than or equal to 3. Step x is less than or equal to 3 means here directly you can write here x is less than or equal to I. X is less than or equal to 3. X is less than or equal to 3 means here minus infinity to plus 3. Plus 3. This is second one. Now you can take here third one. Third one is x is greater than 3. X is greater than 3. Step x is greater than 3 means here x is greater than 3 plus 1 or 3 minus 1. 3 plus 1. Okay. I plus 1 greater than. Then here x is greater than 4. 4 you can write here. Then here 4 to plus infinite. 4 to plus infinite. This is third one. Note down. Next one I will explain. Okay, now see here. Remaining you have to try at home. I will explain. This is last two problems. See here, ninth one. Ninth one. Step x is greater than minus 2 intersection. Step x is less than 3. Now see here. Step x is greater than 2 as given. Step x is greater than 2 means here x is greater than minus 2 only. X is greater than minus 2. Intersection, here step x is less than 3 as given. Here x is less than 3 minus 1 you can write here. X is greater than minus 2. Intersection x is less than 2. That means here this is minus 2 and this is 2 and this is infinite minus infinite. Here minus 2 to plus infinite intersection. Here 2 minus infinity to plus 2. Now see here, minus 2, where it is minus 2, plus infinite, and minus infinity to plus 2, minus infinite. Then this is the common part is intersection. Common part here minus 2 comma plus 2. This is the answer. Ninth one. Now 10th one, see here. Note down this one, 10th one I will explain. Here small changes. Here this is r equal to x has given. Then this is the closure interval. Okay. Now 10th one. Tenth one is, yes, step x is greater than or equal to 0. Union step x is less than 4 less than or equal to 4 as given. Now see here, step x as greater than or equal to 0 as given. Then x is greater than or equal to 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1. Union, here step x is less than or equal to 4 as given. Less than or equal to 4 as given means here less than or equal to 4 only. Now you can write here x is greater than or equal to minus 1. Union x is less than or equal to plus 4. Now write its interval. Interval means minus 1 to close 1 to plus infinity union. This is minus infinity to 4. This is the answer. Okay, now this is rewrite as minus infinity to 4 union. Here close interval minus 1 to plus infinity. Note down. Okay, next problem. Here this is classroom package, parallel package. This first one. Okay, listen children. Actually, how to learn that properties. If you know the properties means you know that how to do the problems. Otherwise, you don't know. Total confused. Okay, right. See here. This is f of x is equal to modulus of 2x plus modulus of minus x. And g of x is equal to 3 into modulus of x. And h of x is equal to 1 minus modulus of minus 4x minus modulus of minus x. Then the relationship between f, g, h. See here. First you can write here. F of x is equal to modulus of 2x. Modulus of 2x is equal to 2x. And modulus of x also x. Here under modulus also plus. Why? Because this is an absolute function. Okay, now see here, g of x is equal to 3 into modulus of x means here 3x. Next fourth one, h of x is equal to, h of x here modulus of minus 4x is plus 4x and modulus of minus x is equal to x. Then 4x minus x is equal to 3x. Therefore, f is equal to g is equal to h. Then which one? This is third one. Note down. Okay, next problem is if f of x is equal to a x to the power 4 plus b x square plus c is an even function, then see here. Even function means here f of x minus x is equal to f of x only. This is correct or not, you have to check here. Here f of x has given a x to the power 4 plus b x square plus c. Here you can substitute here x instead of minus x. Here a into minus x power 4 plus b into minus x square plus c. Now you can write here a into x to the power of minus x power even number means plus. Here even number means plus. Here c. Okay, see here. Now what about this c means here you can take any number also. This is also even function. Why? Because you can take here, this is again f of x. This is again f of x. Suppose you have to write here negative means here c is equal to minus c means here, then here also minus c. Again c, f of x will come. That's why you can write here any real number. Understand clearly? Okay, note down this one. Now see here. If f is an even function and g is an odd function, then find the function f plus g. See here, f is even function plus g is odd function. One even function and odd function. This is an even function or odd function. How it is? See here. Here f of x is equal, you can take x square and g of x is equal to x cube you can take here. Now here f of minus x is equal to minus of x square and this is minus of x whole square means here x square. Okay, again this is f of minus x is equal to, this is f of x again. Now here g of x instead of minus you can write here minus x whole cube and this is also minus x cube, x minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, and this is minus f of g of x, therefore it's a sum. Here sum you can take here x square plus x cube, this is f plus g of x, one odd function, one even function. Now we can write here f plus g of minus x is equal to minus x whole square plus minus x whole cube, then this is a plus x square minus x cube. Now see here you can take here minus also common, then x cube minus x square, but it is not equal to f of x or not equal to minus f of x. That means here even function also not possible, odd function also not possible, either even or not or odd function also not possible, only neither even function nor odd function. Understand clearly? Note down. Okay, next problem, fourth one. If f of x is equal to modulus of x for all x belongs to R, then here 4 options as given. This problem you have to go through this options. See here f of x is equal to 2 times f of x is not possible. Next here f of x is equal to x as given, but modulus of x is either positive or negative, 2 possibilities there. And here f of x is equal to x square, check it here. F of x is equal to here modulus of f of modulus of x square. That means here f of x is equal to, this is modulus of x, and here x square, both are not equal. Now fourth one you can check here. Fourth one, f circle f of x, here f of x is equal to f circle f of x. F circle f of x is rewrite as f of x. F of x means modulus of x, and this is modulus of f of modulus of x, and this is looks like f of x. F of x means here modulus of x. Modulus of x means this is x, and modulus x means here modulus of x only. Okay, that's why this is fourth option is correct. Note down this one. Now see here fifth one. Here if step x is greater than 2, intersection step x is less than or equal to 4, then the solution set is, see here this is also very easy. Step x is greater than I as given, means here x is greater than or equal to I plus 1, and at the same time step x is less than or equal to I as given, means here x is less than I plus 1, here greater than, here less than. Okay, now see here now step x is greater than 2, then x is greater than or equal to 2 plus 1, and x is greater than or equal to 3. Now we can write here interval means here 3 and plus infinite. Now this is write as step x is less than or equal to 4, then x is less than 4 plus 1, here x is less than here this is 5. Okay, now this is write as interval minus infinity to plus 5. Now this 2 you can take intersection part. Intersection part means here this is a minus infinite, and here 3, 5 plus infinite. First one is plus 3 to infinite, plus 3 to infinite, and next one is minus infinite, 5 to minus infinite, 5 to minus infinite. This is closed interval, this is open interval. Only common part, intersection means common part. Common part is here closed interval 3 comma 5 open interval. This is correct. Which one? 3 and here 3 as given. Just I will check the options. Okay, by mistake I written here wrong options. Closed interval 3 comma 5 and here minus 3 5. Okay, now this is third option is correct. Note down. Next sixth one, if step x is greater than or equal to minus 3, intersection step x is less than or equal to 2, then the solution set is, see here, this is step x is greater than or equal to 3 means here x is greater than or equal to minus 3. X is greater than or equal to minus 3. Next one, intersection, here step x is less than or equal to 2 means here x is less than 2 plus 1, x plus I. Okay, now see here, x is greater than or equal to minus 3, intersection x is less than 3. Now this is right as interval minus 3, close interval minus 3 to plus infinite, intersection this is minus infinity to 3. Now you can write here minus 3, here minus infinite, plus 3, plus infinite. Minus 3 to plus infinite, and this is closed interval, this is open interval to up to minus infinite. Then this is the common part. Then you can write here minus 3, closed interval minus 3 and 3. And this is also same. Here step x is, if step x is less than minus 2 union, step x is greater than 3. Then the solution set is, see here, step x is less than minus 2 means here x is less than minus 2 only. Union, here step x is greater than 3 means here x is greater than or equal to 3 plus 1. Step x is greater than I as given means x is greater than or equal to I plus 1. Now see here, x is less than minus 2 union, x is greater than or equal to 3 plus 1, 4. Now this is right as minus infinity to minus 2 union. Here this is 4, close interval 4 to infinite. Okay, this is union as given means you can leave it. This is the first option. Here this is the third option. Note down. Okay, next problem, 8th one. If step x is less than or equal to minus 2 union, step x is greater than or equal to 2, then the solution set is, see here, step x is less than I means here x is less than I plus 1. Here x is less than minus 2 plus 1, it's mean union. Here this is step x is greater than or equal to 2 as given. Then you can write here step x is greater than or equal to 2 means here x is greater than or equal to 2 only. X is greater than or equal to 2. Now see here. Now this is right as x is less than minus 1 union. Here x is greater than or equal to 2. Just okay, now see here. This is rewrite as interval form minus infinity to minus 1 open interval union. Here this is closed interval 2 to plus infinite. Now you can check here minus infinity to minus 1 union 2 to infinite. This is first option. Now 9th one, see here. Set of x belongs to R, x minus step x is equal to 5. See here, x minus step x is equal to fractional part of x. X minus step x is equal to fractional part of x. Suppose you can take here 2.3. Suppose 2.3 minus this is 2.3. Here x is equal to 2.3. 2.3 minus this is step of 2.3 means here this is 2. Then here 0.3. This is the fractional part. But here is equal to 5. It is possible. Actually, the fractional part, this is lies between 0 and 1 only. 1 only. That's why this is not possible, but that's why here this is empty set. Note down. Okay, next matrix matching method. Here column 1, column 2. See here, this is f of x is equal to x plus cube root of x by 1 plus x. Here signum functional, algebraic functional, odd functional, even functional. See here, signum function means here f of x is equal to modulus of x by x or x by modulus of x. This is the signum function. Then here you can write here this is 12. This is possible. Next algebraic function means this is also algebraic function, this is also algebraic function. Okay, now see here, algebraic function is here, this is 11th one you can write here, 11th one and 10th one, algebraic functions. Okay, this is also algebraic functions, all are possible algebraic functions. Algebraic functions means here 10, 11 and 12, here 13, all are algebraic functions. Next, odd function. What is odd function? F of x is equal to minus f of x. Here, see here, this is not possible. Under negative is not possible. That's why you can check here 11th one. F of, here already two powers are even, means this is even function. Even means this is 11th. Next here, this is, you can write minus means here minus. Then this is odd function. This is 13th one. Okay, this is the matrix matching. Note down. Okay, thank you children watching my videos. Next class we have to discuss Emerald package where 10 problems are there and domain and range also. Thank you.